Hi everyone, it's Diane from Divas Creative Expressions. I just wanted to quickly show you some of the background stuff I'm doing right now to prepare for my live. I've convinced my husband to do this with me and I am so excited. He is not a painter, doesn't think he can do it, so I want to show everybody that if he can do it, then we all can do it. So what I'm doing here, just have some really inexpensive little plaques that I actually picked up at the dollar store. Okay, so I've just sanded these down a little bit. I'm just doing the prep work. I'm gonna go quickly spray them. These are cute in themselves, but it's a cute little board. I'm going to do a couple of these little paintings. These could be door hangers too. So let's just see how it goes. Anyways, just a quick little sand with a little sanding sponge, and we'll be back soon. Okay guys, here it is. It's partially finished. This is what my moon looks like. You can get a bit of an idea for the glitter now. Yeah, so I just have to decide what else I'm going to paint on here, but oh gosh, if anybody loves glitter like I do, there it is, and there is my moon. Pens, and I actually did some finger painting. Added some gold, added some purple, some white, some blue and black. I just blended it out. So that's that. That's that one. This is my other one that I did. It's a bit bigger, so you can see I used a bit more color there. And I kind of blended around the outside a little bit more, whereas this one, I added the glitter right away, blended a little bit. And then, of course, my darling husband, Franklin, did such a great job. Doesn't have a lot of patience. He lost his patience, and not patience, but he was kind of done. But wow, he did quite well there. So we'll see if I can talk him into doing something else for the rest of it. Anyways, that was a very rare appearance, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you so much for joining me. Okay, if anyone has any questions or wants to learn anything in particular, just let me know. This is my messy, messy space, but it's so much fun. Okay, everyone, have an awesome night. Talk soon.